Connect a data cable from the first data port on the back of your video processor to either one of the data ports on your first LED panel. Unlike power ports, it doesn't matter which data port you use as the in or out. For this example, we'll use the bottom as in and the top as out. Connect the next data cable from the top data port on the first panel to the bottom data port of the second panel. Repeat this process until all panels have been connected. Again, it's standard to wire your wall in a snaking pattern starting from any corner you choose. But as you'll learn in our next video, that's not always the case. Similar to wiring power, there is a limit to the number of panels that can be connected off of one main data run. When you reach that limit, you'll need to connect another cable from the second data port on the back of the processor to the next panel in the wall, and then continue the snaking pattern from there. Let's go a little deeper into planning data for video walls.